I'm here to give you an extreme overview of the Access portal on Alira. The Access portal is effectively everything you've got in one place, whether it's integrated into Entra or not, it can be represented here, and everything you can get. So whether it's all your permissions or in the software app catalog. If it's not integrated, we can create an email and point that to your IT system so the IT can manage it here. And also to speed up the approval process, we can connect to Teams. So making that a lot more effective and quick way. And all the emails and Teams messages are completely customizable. And because we tag the type of provisioning of all applications, we can generate a levers report. So all the manually removed applications that need IT intervention, we give you that report. So we've got your back. So that way you'll never miss a step again and you can have your entire organization represented in the Access portal. And we also consolidate all the approvals and requests for the end user in one place. So everything you've got, everything you can get all in one place. And when you're migrating to Intra and integrating things in the back end, the user experience doesn't change.